Hiker Garden 6-person tent is large enough inside for family outdoor adventure. With the dimension of 120 by 96 by 76 inches, the Hiker Garden tent is larger than the normal tent, which you can stroll in a large center section without stopping. 2 queen air mattresses or 6 sleeping bags are well fit inside. Real users share their experience. Number 5. Awesome. Sturdy and spacious. Chance. 5-star. I am 6'4" and stayed in this tent comfortably. You can fit a king-size mattress inside and still have room for storage. Assembly was very easy, poles are color-coded. I was afraid of ripping the tent or bending a pole during assembly, but don't worry, the fabric stretches just enough to get it all together. Frame is very tight and sturdy. Chance. Number 1. Wrong color was sent to us. Jason Christine Moyer. 1 star. We ordered red but received blue. Annoyed. The poles won't work in sand. Jason Christine Moyer. Number 4. Pretty easy to put together. Andrew Valdez. 4 star. Didn't take long to put together where I camped. Winds were at 30 miles per hour and tent held up fine with the wind. Happy with my purchase, Andrew Valdez. Number 3. Good tent, bad zippers. Dylan. 3 star. Loved the size and height of this tent. Was easy to assemble, however, the zippers are not heavy-duty enough. Ours broke the first time we used it. Dylan. Number 5. Great tent. Jacob. 5 star. This is actually really easy, there's like 9 poles, color-coded, took me like 10 minutes first time, could probably do it in 5 now. At first I was really annoyed that they didn't send any instructions, but then I realized it's like connected to the bag that carries it. Jacob. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.